Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited today to show you guys the tutorial. Sorry for the mess, I was doing some swatching earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Today's look is inspired by this look up here, and as you can see, I have already tipped myself up with my tips. I've done double tips again today with Nailed by John, and I've already done all my cuticle work. So if you want to see that, I do have it on my Patreon channel, and the link for that is down below. I'm just going to go ahead and sharpen up the edges. I went ahead and trimmed them already using everything I have used today is down below. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and filing and shaping up, making sure the edges are nice and sharp to a point where they're suitable for putting acrylic on top. So if you guys don't know, make sure you enter in my giveaway. The giveaway ends May 30th. Or May 29th at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you go and check out the video up in the cards for that. I really am so excited to be doing it. It's my first giveaway ever on my channel. And I can't wait to see who wins. Good luck to everybody who enters. So after I have filed with my hand file, I'm going in with the sanding band and just blending the tip in both into my natural nail and into each other. Using a 180 grit sanding band along with my Melody Susie Scarlet drill. So now that we've dusted the nails off and everything's been filed, we're going to go ahead and jump into our dehydration step, which is Mia Secret Prep and Dehydrator and Young Nails Protein Bond, going through twice. And then I start playing around with the colors. I actually made that really light blue, and the pinkish color that you see next to it is actually a color that I also made, which is just my new cover color. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm mixing color here because I wanted a soft white, nutty white kind of look to go with this, just because the blue was so light in color. So I wound up mixing my glow white acrylic, which I made with my glow white powder. I do have an affiliate link for that down below. You can save 10% on your purchase with that. And mixing it with some soft white that I had made for myself some time ago, and just going ahead and blending that into each other to create this really cute light blue, almost kind of really aesthetically pleasing for me, at least, daytime kind of sky person for me. That's kind of what this was. This was more of like an aesthetic look, and I really liked it coming out all together. And so that's all I do here, and I go ahead and encapsulate everything as I go to make it a really quick and simple process. Today, of course, I'm using my number 10 Pana brush. I love this brush, I swear by this brush, and I'm definitely going to be purchasing another brush in the near future just because I would like to grow with this brand. I really do enjoy their brushes, and I do highly suggest them as a personal choice. So just to let you guys know, this I haven't done a two-hand look in quite some time. My nails have been pretty much the same. So today I am doing a two-hand look. So I'll be doing my non-dominant hand in a different video. Make sure you subscribe to that because that one came out super cute. If you haven't seen my TikTok already, when I posted it, at least when I launched this video, and I really love both sides of the look. It came out super cute and it came out just the way I wanted to. I needed both of my aesthetics. It's either my left hand or my right hand. There's really no in between. Light and dark. That's it. Glow or regular in the daytime, glow in the dark. I like the darkness. I like some light, but I prefer to be in a nice dark warm corner with the sunshine spilling through a window somewhere else. So I went ahead and let the nails dry completely, and they look so cute even without anything else on them. I mean, I absolutely love them, and I say this all the time, I think I can honestly see myself wearing this for a couple of more weeks than normal. I can definitely see several designs on my left hand. So besides all that, I go ahead and file my sidewalls, doing my normal filing routine, just taking my hand file and going at my sidewalls first. I don't know if anybody else does this when they have extra long nails, but I always hold it because I make sure that there's enough stability. I know that the nail is on there, I know it's dry, I know it's hard, but I just always like hold it down to make sure that there's extra stability whenever I file. So if you guys do that, just let me know too in the comments below, because I feel like that's strange. I know I'm weird, but that's besides the point. So yeah, all I'm doing is going with my hand file here, and then after this I'll be going in with my e-file using the Game Changer bit by Hot Tips Beauty. The link for that is down below. And just making sure my nail looks nice, smooth, and crisp. now that I have dusted the nails and finished filing, I'm satisfied. I am going to go ahead and, excuse me, wipe them with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol just to get rid of all that dust. Now that that's done, I am grabbing my Lavender Violets black gel polish and something to put the gel polish on, and I'm also pulling up the design on my computer and zooming in on it just to make sure I get as many of the details that I can. Although it's not 100% perfect, I do like the quote-unquote shading I did with it, just to make it look a little different. And you know, just kind of really freehanded these kind of designs do take a little bit of time, but this was a lot of fun. I do suggest that if you do purchase the Lavender Violets, make sure you use really thin coats. These gels, I've learned, are not super pigmented. They're pigmented enough to get you by, but they do tend to, they like to warp, they like to pool in certain places for whatever reason. And I've noticed that with a lot of brands that I've bought from Amazon, but overall they are a pretty decent polish. I do enjoy the top coat a lot, which is actually what I wind up using in the end of the video to gloss everything over. So here I am just taking a dab of black gel polish and some brushes, honestly, that I use to paint with my acrylic paintings. And if you haven't seen those videos, those are super old. Back when I really first started the channel, when it was all about art. Still have art videos coming up too, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, I just kind of freehand the dragon. I do like a basic stencil, and I take other brushes to clean it up with some alcohol, and that definitely helps a lot. So if you want to do something like this, make sure you have a couple of brushes on hand of different sizes. They all look really tiny, but they're actually different sizes. And the one I'm using right now is from Michaels. The other three you see on the side are actually from Wish. And yeah, I just go ahead and freehand this cool, cute looking dragon. So what I just did was flash cured it with a UV light. You guys saw me use it earlier in the video when I was looking at color, because I was mixing glow powder. I just wanted to make sure it glowed. But yes, I do use a UV flashlight in place of a lamp sometimes, just because my lamp is starting to get a little old and it's time for an upgrade. But the lights that I have, I bought for paintings when I planned on selling them, because a couple of them do glow. But they're actually very powerful, and they actually cured my nails pretty well. So, nail tech hack: if your light goes out and you need a cheap one, these come in a pack of 12. I left a link for them down below, and they're really great to have on hand. They're also great for painting. They glow in the dark. Did you guys see the glow? I thought that was pretty cool that you could see the nails glowing. They all actually glow white, including the blue. It glows white. And so now I am going in with my stones, because I haven't had really stones in a little bit, and I felt kind of naked. So I decided to go in with some stones that I had used for a different project that I had laying around, and it's just a mix of a bunch of different sizes. And I just go ahead and layer them on my fingers per usual, and cure them with my flashlight. And then once I'm done, I go ahead and cure the whole thing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds to 90 seconds, just to make sure that everything's cured, and making sure that, you know, it's all ready and it's all set to show you guys the final product. here's the inspiration I started with, and here's the final look. This came out super cute, and I absolutely love these nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned. Giveaway ends March 29th. If you're subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.